Everything you love about Canon just got better. Introducing Canon Plus, the all-new, completely rebuilt home for everything you love from Canon Press, plus more channels from other creators and authors that we know you'll love. Canon Plus is home to all of Canon's digital catalog, plus content from American Vision, New St. Andrews, Christchurch, soon all of Word MP3, and much, much more dropping soon. In 2022, we're going to have a ton of new content coming, including at least one new audiobook every week, new documentaries, films, kids shows, conferences, podcasts. We even have planned our entire ebook catalog coming soon. The Canon Plus platform is completely rebuilt from the ground up. You'll have your own library space to keep track of everything you're listening to, sync accounts across all of your devices, new channels to browse, and an audio player that, yes, it keeps your spot in the book. And finally, you can browse on your desktop computer. The web and desktop access to Canon Plus is available at mycanonplus.com. You can go there on your phone or on your desktop computer, sign up. We've built this platform completely independent from our beloved big tech overlords, and so that's why it's there at mycanonplus.com. But don't worry, a premier Canon Plus mobile app is on its way. Whether you currently have a Canon app subscription or not, head to mycanonplus.com to create an account, subscribe for your free month. Again, thank you all for making Canon Plus a reality. We look forward to bringing you more fuel for your work and spreading all of Christ for all of life in your corner of the world. God bless.